What's going on, guys? It is your boy Crypto Mikkel here from DCA Adventure, coming at you today, guys, with a awesome unveiling of some of the new DCA swag that we have now here at DCA Adventure. Currently, you can find the swag over here on Doge Lord Apparel. Right over there. It is behind me on the screen. Head over there, guys. You can use the code FREESHIPPING, all capital letters, all one word. I'll have it for you guys down in the description below for you to get that, and you can get free shipping on any of the awesome stuff that you see here today. Currently, I have two things for us. Two things. Two packages. So, we are going to open up these two packages, and then you're gonna see what they look like. Let's do this, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, so changing up the view a little bit. Boom. I guess you can't quite see that. Gotta get out the knife. The trusty knife. Not for this one, though. It's just poly bag. See, gotta love them receipts. Oh, guys, look at this. Smells brand new. And look at that awesome thing right there. Doge Lord. Right there on there. Oh man, that's just beautiful. This awesome heathered gray, because that's like my favorite. Doge Lord apparel, sponsored branding, whatever you want to call it, official branding of the DCA Adventure t-shirt. Boom, just a plain Jane regular old t-shirt. Great stuff, right? Great stuff. Stick that over there. Alright. On to the what's in the box. Like that. Stab the box with a knife. Ready? Can we guess what's in the box? Can we see what's in the box? Boom! Oh man. Guys. The green screen's playing with it, of course. But DCA Adventure. Guys, look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Oh, that's just, look at that. Logo on the back, logo on the front. I'm trying to get it to where it's not gonna affect it. Boom. I mean, that's just amazing. Want to see what these things look like on? Yeah. We want to do that right now? Want to do that right now? Let's do that right now. 3, 2, 1. What up? Look at that awesome swag, guys. Look at this awesome hat. Look at the awesome t-shirt. Guys, head over to Doge Lord Apparel. Get on there, dogelord.com. You just get on the website. Super simple, super easy. We'll just switch to view real fast. We don't need that box no more. Alright, so head over here to the webpage, guys. dogelord.com. You can just scroll down right here. I'll be in the way. DCA Apparel. Get in there. So this is the shirt that I'm wearing currently right now. The DCA Adventure shirt. Just regular short sleeve unisex t-shirt. Regular little shirt. Here's the hat. I'm using the silver, as they call it, silver and black hat. There's also all these other cool. I'm getting mine here next, coming like week or so. You get the variant 8 from, DCA you're trading or trading with the view. You got me. Look at me right there. These are all like kind of like jerseys for everybody on the team. You even got Doge Lord. We got Nemesis. Let's see. Here's Gundy. I was like, Gundy. We're just missing Grammaton. But before we get too far down, we got a awesome champion jacket. We got some stickers. We got some beanies. There's just the regular shirt. This shirt doesn't have a back to it. It's just the all-over print DCA Adventure with the logo on the front. This is a logo t-shirt on the front only with DCA Adventure just like this over here on the sleeve, as well as we have a embroidery polo. Looks like we are actually no, we got everybody. Yep, that's everybody there. Cool. Yeah. Head over over there to dogelord.com and put in the code FREESHIPPING and you will get awesome free shipping on the DCA Adventure swag, like this awesome hat now that you'll see every Friday and every Saturday. Later, guys.